Hey TikTok Shop sellers, already signed up for Fulfillment by TikTok Shop or FBT? Wondering about how you prepare your items to ship to FBT and everything from a customer placing an order to the customer receiving their item? Well, we're shooting this video right from the FBT warehouse, and over the next 4 videos we will show you the entire process. This is the last video in our series where we'll take you through the value-added services provided by FBT. Please do note that these services are optional, so should you decide to engage FBT in these services, there will be additional costs. First up, bundling, or what FBT call kitting.
If you want to offer bundles to customers, FBT can combine products from your store together in their kitting service. In other words, they can put your products together based on SKUs submitted into as many kits as you'd like. This could be a limited edition run or a standard collection of products that you know sell well together.
Next up, prep services.
If you sell fragile items and want FBT to wrap it up in your TikTok Shop's own packaging instead, or FBT's default fragile item packaging, which is bubble wrapped. If you'd like your items to undergo this particular service, be sure to state it clearly when submitting the products to FBT.
Can't wait to get started. We hope these 4 videos have answered all your questions about sending your products with FBT. Head to the link in our bio to sign up. Until next time, farewell from the FBT warehouse.
Run, don't walk. To like, share, and follow Sell with TikTok Shop UK for more TikTok Shop seller tips and updates.